Hello everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to unbox the Curated bead box for September. So this is one of my favorite bead boxes. It's just full of good stuff, and it's only $20 shipped to your door. So great price, great quality little box. Now it doesn't have a bunch of gemstones or anything like that, but it has some really beautiful glass beads and a findings pack. And usually they have some pretty interesting lately they've been putting in some really pretty interesting little elements. So I'm excited to see what is in this. First of all, our encouraging word for today is I can and I will, end of story. I like that one. Okay, so it looks like that this is interesting this month. So here's our list. They always put the list of things on the front of the box. And this is interesting. So we're going to see what in the world is going on. Let's open this up. And I'm going to get it out. Excuse the crinkle. They're wrapped in tissue paper. Ooh, okay, there's no little baggie. Usually there's a little baggie, but we didn't need it this month. And this box is called Let's Party. So it looks like we have 6mm crackle glass bead, 7 by 10.5, 16-inch strings. Okay. I am quite confused. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm thoroughly confused right now. So let's see. Here's a crackle glass bead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we've got 7. I don't know what the 7 by 10.5 16-inch strings means, but anyway, we have 7 strands of crackle glass beads, it looks like. So we've got a hot pink one. Okay, there it is. It is a very long strand too, this hot pink one. We have got kind of a rust or burnt orange colored one. That one's pretty. I like that. Not crazy about the hot pink, but it has its place. Just probably not in anything I'm going to make, but it is kind of, it's bright. Then this is a brownish. It's really pretty too. Brownish colored one. Then we have this kind of golden colored, or what do we want to call this? Beige color? I don't know. It's really pretty too. Okay, we have a really pretty teal. I like this a whole lot. We have a blue, like a royal blue. That's pretty. And we have a purple. Okay, so 7 strands of crackle glass beads. How cool is that? Okay, then we have 8mm silver stardust beads, brass beads. So approximately 18 it says. That's these. These are really pretty. Really pretty. Sparkly little things. 8mm. Okay, I like those. I find it interesting that we've got a silver and gold mix here. So we have 6mm gold iron bead, approximately 50 beads. I like that. It gives you the option to do, you know, either color. That's kind of nice. Those are pretty. Then we have metal enlaced acrylic bead mix, over 30 beads. Oh, these are pretty. Check it out. So these are acrylic beads, and they've got this, says metal enlaced, so I don't think that's, I think it's just a painted metal, but how pretty. There's those two. We've got these two kind of pill-shaped ones. Oh, there's 3 of those. Okay, 3 of those guys. This one I love. That is pretty. Wow, that's really pretty. It's got a crystal in the middle. Let's see here. We've got some of these guys. A couple of interesting, these look like bead caps. And that plastic on there can just be picked right off with your plier or your fingernail like I just did. Let's see, this one's really pretty. I do like this. And, you know, I don't mind acrylic beads if they're pretty. Then I like them. Those are pretty. Love the little rhinestones in there. We have 4 of these barrel-looking beads. A bunch more of these pill-shaped beads. So we have these 3 like this, and these 2 match those in the pattern, and then this one's different. Very cool. Let's see here. And then just an assortment of some other ones. That's interesting. Little button flower sort of thing. Okay, so we have our acrylic, metal inlaced acrylic beads. Over 30 beads, it says. So that's interesting. Then we have gold wine glass charm rings, 10 rings. I just bought a bunch of these in gold and silver. These are great for hoop earrings. You just straighten that out. You take your plier and straighten that out, bead it up, and then bend it back and make your loop here. So these make great little earrings. You could use them for wine glass charms if you wanted. I like to use them for earrings. Okay, and then we have wine-themed silver metal charms, 9 charms. Okay, so we're into the wine. This one is really cute. I like it a lot. Here we go. There's a wine opener, a couple of those. Little charms for opening wine. These 2 I like really well, like the little margarita glass there. It's cute. Here we have a little wine charm. There's a wine bottle, a barrel of wine, and a wine bottle in ice. So those are cute, really cute for a charm bracelet for your wine-loving friend or family member. Okay. And then we have the findings pack that they always include, which I love. So we have our jump rings, and I say it every time. They have the best jump rings ever. I don't know where they get them, but I love them. Jump rings, head pins, bead stringing wire, stretch cord, fish hooks, memory wire, and lobsters. All right, so there you have it, the September edition of the Curated bead box. And it's very interesting this month. Something I've not seen them do before with the bunches of strands of the same thing. Very cool. It definitely looks like a party. And with the wine, it is a party. So we'll see what we can come up with. This is going to be a fun box to work with. If you're interested in subscribing, I do have a coupon code for 35% off of your first month's box. It is Wendy35, and it will make your first month's box around $13. So I will have a link in the description box below. Check them out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.